The Ryebreads are awesome. The Ryebreads are cool. We vlog at the pool and we vlog after school. We vlog as a family. We vlog every day. And none of us are born at night.
Good morning, it's Friday. It's gonna be a hot day. It's really hot out now. Today's a big day. Big day, you know why? We've got more Ryans, actually Gallaghers, coming in today. My older sister, her 2 sons, and her husband, they're in Delaware for the week. So they're coming down today and we're gonna meet over at the beach over there. Beautiful out, absolutely beautiful.
No, those people don't come. Only the white people. 'Cause
Here.
All right, so we have an assembly line of lunch making
That
here.
one
We
up
got
top there,
all
I
these
think.
sandwiches, rolls.
That one.
Catherine. And
That one
Wendy.
matches that one, though. No, those are 2 bottoms.
There's all the deli meat. And Grandpa's in the background, just making the kitchen dirtier.
Just kidding. You want his
Nasty. And the girls over here, they're coloring. What are you coloring?
to put a little salt on that?
I'm coloring this for my Aunt Debbie. I didn't put Aunt though.
Okay.
And then I'm watching Ryebreads.
Oh yeah, you are.
Where did I do it the back?
Number 1 or number 2?
So what are you 2 doing over here?
Coloring.
You have to say, you're not doing it.
No.
Are you making signs for people?
Yeah, we're making
We didn't
signs.
get that on video.
I'm making real signs.
What did I miss?
Faulty tomato on the floor.
Oh, Grandpa.
No. Grandpa said the S word.
Oh really? Maybe I got it. But that doesn't go in the vlog. We don't swear in the vlog.
That's good.
I thought you were a nice guy.
Because we're family, man.
Yeah. All right, girls. Hi, Kaya.
We all hit a button.
Hey, Kaya.
You didn't hit my hand. Good job.
What are we doing, Kaya?
Oh, Grandpa.
Oh, Grandpa, dang it. Sorry, Grandpa.
Sorry, Grandpa.
Hey, I'm here.
Hey, it's Grandpa.
We are going down to the car.
The car?
Yeah, because Mr. Frank is coming in with 2 chairs that was in our car.
Yep.
Or whatever car.
Well, our car's full with chairs right now, so it's your car. Right, Abigail? Are we waiting for anybody to come?
Jack and Will.
And Debbie and Michael?
It should be there any minute now.
Okay. Kaya, how excited are you to see Aunt Debbie?
Very excited.
Has it been a long time since you've seen her?
Yeah.
You excited to see Jack and Will?
They're just gonna pop out of somewhere. I feel like they are.
You feel like they're just going to surprise us?
Yeah, they're just gonna pop out.
Pop out? So we shouldn't prank these kids?
I want to.
You want to prank these boys?
Should we put the silly string on them?
I think we need more silly string if we're going to prank them right. What do you think, Kaya?
Oh, yeah. Good prank. And Jack will get
What's a good
2
prank?
times better pranking. Wait, we can't say this in the vlog. Or Jack will see it tomorrow.
Well, then we got to do it today. So, Kaya, what's a good prank you thought of?
I know.
We can do
Silly
that
string 'em?
pie. We can do that pie thing again.
The pie thing?
What pie? The cake? Oh, yeah.
You guys are going to lose that one, trust me.
Why?
They're boys.
Oh, well, obviously. The boys
And-
are
and
gonna.
they're
We
older.
should do the silly string and
All right.
prank.
Egg prank?
The egg prank.
Silly string
Wait,
prank,
you
Emily?
say you have surprise, and then they turn around, and then you just crack the egg on them.
We should do that.
That would be mean. I think they'd cry.
No, they're boys. They won't cry.
All right.
When are they gonna?
Ow!
You really do. You're both nice girls. And you dance beautifully.
Both of you?
All right, that's enough out of Grandpa.
Okay. Now when are they gonna get here?
15 minutes.
All right, we're in the car. We're leaving for the beach. Everybody ready for the beach?
Woo! Yeah!
On our way.
Oh, look.
There they are!
There they are.
Can we help all of them?
See you
Dad,
guys.
help all of them. No, please.
Bye.
No, we're going.
Bye, family.
That was so.
You gotta be kidding me!
Should we go back?
Yeah, let's go back, please, Daddy. Daddy,
No.
go back, go back,
No.
go back, go back.
We're going to the beach.
No, go back. Dad, go back. Dad, go back.
Go back.
Just
Go back.
Just for a quick hello, we're still leaving.
Hurry.
You are so funny. You're such a tease.
Go back.
I pranked him.
You pranked him. He pranked you. He got you guys.
What?
No, Dad, stop. Daddy, please stop.
We're going back.
Here.
Dad, go back. We want to get out of the car. We want to go hug them.
All right, come on.
We want to go hug them.
No, stop.
I want to go hug them.
All right, girls, hang on a second.
Settle down.
Hey, look, it's the Gallaghers.
Long time. Hi, Will.
Hello.
How are you, buddy?
Hey, look, it's Frank on his bicycle. Looking good, Frank.
It's hot.
Is it? Yeah, it's a
Is
different
this a
bike.
Fantasy King?
This is Fantasy King.
Give me a
That's
five.
mini Fantasy
Frank,
King.
nice to
What?
see you.
Who's Fantasy King?
He said it
No,
all
you
along.
are.
Okay.
You're just the winner.
He's the one.
I'm the king. He's a
Boy,
fantasy
you
man.
grown up. Man, how old are you now?
17.
Are you a senior?
I will be.
Will be. You looking at colleges?
A few.
Any
How tall's your brother?
preferences?
He's 6'3".
Naval Academy, which
How tall are you
Oh
gonna
my God, that'd be wonderful.
Northeastern.
All right, see you guys at the beach.
All right, see you guys in a bit.
Gave us a good spot. Yay!
What happened?
I paused it. I got a question for everybody. What do you guys think of Jack? Is he short?
No, he's really tall.
He's taller than you, Emily.
Will's taller than
Taller than me. Is he taller than you?
Oh yeah. Dude, he's 6'3".
Wait, there's Frank.
I know. Yep. We'll see you, Frank. All right.
Can you put it back on now?
Of course, Kyle. Welcome to Ocean City Beach. Girls are having fun on the sand, water. We're waiting for the boys to get here. And my parents.
Rebar. Alright, so this beach trip has now become a Pokemon fun vacation.
Guess what? Someone put a ring around this, so there's a bunch of Pokemon popping up every 5 seconds.
Wow. Here we are, rope walk. Look at the playground over there. This should be great fun. For the children. All right, so we're leaving the rope walk. That was fun. Now we're headed back to the parents' house. See what's going on there. Getting home from the rope walk. Now we're going to my parents' house. Wendy's driving because Tom cannot drive. He's got logged too many hours as a driver.
Don't touch the handle, Em, please.
So we're coming over the bridge, and there's a wreck on the bridge. There's the Popo and the state trooper, and the pickup truck, and the Subaru UPS car, and everybody's backed up. Backed up. Bummer. In the summer at Ocean City. We're headed home to do some laundry.
Yeah.
Thanks for the reminder, actually.
Laundry, right, Kaya? You'll do it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You look like my sister. You look like my sister. You look like my sister.
I'm your sister?
You should rock up like that, Dad.
What should you call me?
And
Abigail.
Aunt Tommy.
And Tommy. Tommy. Miss Tommy.
Miss Tommy. That's good. T-O-M-I. Hi, I'm Miss Tommy. Nice to see you. I'm Kaya's sister.
That is so funny. Get that. Can you give that to me, Rose?
I'm not going to sleep because I'm Kaya. I'm Kaya, so I'm not going to sleep.
Say that again.
Why?
Kai.
Didn't I look silly though? I'm Kaya. I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep. No way.
Again.
I'm not going to sleep.
Do it to the chair. Do it again. With the hat on.
Oh. No, Mom. I'm not going to help Abigail. There's no way I'm helping Abigail because I'm doing my own thing. I'm older and I'm prettier and I love my long blonde hair.
Do it again.
Do something else.
Yeah, do something.
All right, now I'll do Abigail. I am the best dancer in the world. I play with my pretend friends in the house because they're so much fun. And they answer me, unlike my older sister who is Such a diva. Diva.
You're being tears. No, that is not me. I'm sorry. Daddy, do mommy. Do mommy. Do that again. Do mommy. Do mommy.
I am Wendy. I am the prettiest girl in the world.
Right.
I am the luckiest lady in the world because I have the hottest guy, Tom Ryan. He is so fabo. Fabo. I already did her. You want me to do me?
Yeah, yeah.
To me.
You want me to do Aunt Catherine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do Aunt Catherine.
Do what she was saying.
My older brother is such a mean guy. I don't know why he's so mean to me. But my sister, she is so old. She's like 45 years older than me. I just knocked my glasses off because my older sister is so old.
Daddy,
What?
do me again.
No. All right, so we've been out here trying to do a family picture.
Everybody's looking.
Oh, you want to do the four of us one?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Oh, did you get
So,
it?
Daddy, everybody's
yeah, no, we're good.
looking
We're
at
good.
the picture.
All right, here's the picture.
Everybody's. What are you guys doing?
I'm looking somewhere else.
Well, what are you guys doing?
I think we'll just stand.
All
All right, now we're going to take a family picture of the four of us.
Okay, level 2 now.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, level 2.
Oh, you're on level. Hey, you ready for some more Ryebreads? Yeah, me too. Just click over here to check out our family's journey. We're a family of 4 here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Just providing some daily entertainment on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.